Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. I would like to thank my returning subscribers who come back to my video to watch my videos and gain some knowledge. So in today's video, what if I tell you that you can earn $1 just by registering your account with this platform? Yeah, you can earn $1 just by registering your account with this platform. So guys, let's just say in a way that in which you have 5 emails or like 6 or 7 emails, let's say 10 email. Now use your first registration link to register all your email. You'll be receiving a coupon of $10 just by registering on this website, and also you can refer your friend, your family members, or your relative on this platform and just earn $1. No investment, no investment on it. So guys, I'll just go over to the platform now to show you guys how it works and how you can register your account once you click my link in the description box or in the comment section. So guys, I'll just minimize and go over to the to the website. So welcome to Felicity. Sorry, welcome to Felicity. So sign up with your email and password to stay connected. So guys, once you go back to the description of this video or go over to the comment section, you see the registration link there. Click on the referral link, then register and sign up with this account. So guys, this helps register your account. First of all, you input your username. Yeah, I'm going to input my, let's say Alex 23 or 24. Yeah, so now this is where you say enter address. So the address, like the wallet address you will use to receive your money, this is where you input your wallet address. Let's say your wallet address from Binance, from Bybit, from OctaFS, from Trust Wallet, just anyone, or BitGet, any wallet in which you have, but make sure that the wallet is BEP20. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to copy your wallet address and paste it here. So guys, just click on it. You can see it's empty now. I'll just go over to my Bybit. Let me scroll down now. I'll just minimize. Now I go over to my Bybit. Let me scroll. I think I've passed it. Yeah, see it here. I'll go over to my Bybit now. Open it. Okay guys, so once it's open, you can see this is my dashboard of my Bybit. Now just go over to my asset, go over to the asset. Now once you're in asset, click on deposit. Yeah, once you click on deposit, now go over to deposit through crypto. Deposit crypto and click on the first one. That is if you are using Bybit. So if you are using any other app, so you know how to navigate around it and copy your wallet address. Remember BEP20. So I'll just click on USDT because I'm paying through USDT. So once it's loading, you can see select chain. So you can see BEP20. Remember, so this is the BEP20. You can see it here. This BSC equals BEP20. So you can click it now. You can see the wallet address. Okay, so now to confirm. Okay, that's confirmed. Now you can see wallet address. You can just copy the wallet address. Once you must have copied it, now minimize and now go over to the BEP20 wallet address. Now you can see this is the BEP20 and it's same thing that I just copied the BEP20. Now you can input your wallet address. Now copy it, that is copy and paste. Now you can see it's valid, because if the wallet address is not correct, or if you pick any other wallet address, just like let me say you choose wallet of address, you choose wallet address of okay, let me show you guys. So if to say that you choose wallet address from Polygon or Ethereum or Tron or Plasma or Sol, it will be invalid. So you make sure that you copy the wallet address of BEP20 in your wallet address. Now that's by the way. Now you can see select country. Of course I'm in Nigeria, so I'll just scroll down. Where is N? Okay, now I'm going to input my phone number here now. So guys, I will just input my phone number here. Yeah, so guys, once I must have put my phone number, now I'll be asked to input my email. I'll just click on it now, input my email. Let's need one of my email. Let me use this one. Okay, let me use this one. This is my email. You can see at the right hand you will see get OTP. Now click on get OTP. Once you click on it, you can see OTP sent successfully. Now go over to your email. Go over to your email. Now this is my email. Okay, I'm going to go over. I think this is the email. Sorry, this is the email. And just click on refresh. Just click on refresh to check. all inboxes. Yeah, so you can see OTP for registration. Just click on it. Yeah, I clicked the send OTP 2 times, so I don't know which one to choose right now. Okay, let's just go with the second one. Just copy. Now go over to the website. Now enter the OTP. Now I'll just input my password. Yeah, I'll input my password. Now once you must have input the password, you confirm the password by re-entering the password. Now once I'm done, I'll click on continue. Yeah, so I registered my account with this. You can see join our channels. Before completing your registration, please join our official group. So I'll just go over and add them to my Telegram to join their Telegram group. That's very important to keep updated, you understand, for withdrawals or for any information. I'll click on open external app. Now I'm going to joining them to their Telegram group. Let's show for when it shows up. Yeah, you can see Felicity AI. I'll click on join. So they currently have 20k subscribers here. Yeah, so once I must have joined, I'll just minimize. Then I'll go over to the I'll go over to the website again. Where is the website? Wow. Okay, let me just minimize. So once I'll just go over to the WhatsApp. I'll add them to my WhatsApp group. Yeah, I'll join them on WhatsApp. Once I click open, you can see agree and continue. So you can see follow channel. So I'll follow their channel. You can see they have 7k followers already. So I'll just minimize. Then I'll just click on register. Once I'm done registering, okay, I'll still join their YouTube channel. Because once you didn't join all the required platforms, you won't be able to register your account. So I'll just go over to my YouTube channel to follow them and to subscribe to their YouTube channel. You get? So it's loading. So guys, this is their YouTube channel. So I'll just click on subscribe. Once I'm done subscribing, I'll just minimize, then go over to the platform again. So I'll click on register. Now it's now processing. You can see it's registration successful. See welcome letter. Thank you for registration. Thank you for the registration with Felicity. Your cardinal association is welcome in business family. You can see this is my details. Now click on login. I'll click on view account. Okay, let me know what's the problem. So once I log in, so these are the details in which I have put. So guys, click on the registration or click on the description box to copy the referral link and register your account and sign on. So if I scroll down, you see registration bonus is already $1 here. So guys, once I refer more people or once I invite more people, I'll receive my referral bonus down here. So guys, this is how it works. So you can refer your friends, your family, your member, your colleague, understand? And these are the registration bonus. So like if you have more emails, if you have many emails, just like 5 emails or 4 or thereabout, you can register your email using your referral link, understand? Or if you have your friends, your family, you can refer them. So guys, the withdrawal date for this registration is 23rd of December. Yeah, this month, 23rd of this month. As of the time I'm making this video, you will be doing your $1 once they launch the platform on 23rd of this month. So they haven't launched yet. So guys, you'll be doing your money on 23rd of this month. So guys, you can see the level. I'm in still 0 level. So guys, I'm making another video on the day of the withdrawal. I should show you guys how you can withdraw your money from the platform to your wallet address. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye.